Frog tape is the only tape treated with paint block technology. Watch how it works. Paint block reacts with water, simulating latex paint, and instantly gels to form a micro barrier that seals the edges of the tape, preventing paint bleed. With Frog tape, no messy lines, no paint bleed.
Hi, I'm Chris Marshall at IWF here in Rockler's booth with Steve Cromer. Steve, what do you have to show us?
Well, I wanted to talk a little bit about our new shutter program, Chris, and I know you have some experience with that shutter
I do. I actually built some of these shutters for the cover of our May-June issue, and it was a simple process. Tell us more about that.
Well, you know, we really designed this system around our jigget system that we use for a variety of different drilling needs in the shop. We realized that the shutters are literally a step and repeat process, and it was perfect for the jig system. So we really wanted to keep it basic. So there's really only 3 main steps to building the shutters, which is about as easy as you can get.
Absolutely. What are the steps?
Well, the first step is to choose what size louver do you want to use. We have 1 1/4 inch, we have a 2.5, and we have a 3.5 inch wide louver. The second question is, do you want the louvers to be fixed, or do you want them to be movable? Once you've made those decisions, that's the hard part. Everything else is easy. The next step is to get the measurements from your windows, and then you get to use our wizard. And literally all you do is enter whether it's a movable or fixed, select the size of the louver you're using, put in the dimensions for the width and the height, and it takes dimensions within a 1/16 of an inch. You hit submit, and within seconds you get a customized plan. It's a 6-page plan with all the dimensions that you have put in there to build the shutters. And one of the nice things about this is not only does it have the dimensions for building the shutter, it has the hardware list. It tells you how much material you need, how much hardware, but then it also ties into our jig system. It gives you very detailed information on how to align the styles into our jig. Once you align those, it's literally a process of drilling, just taking our self-centering bits and drilling the series of holes.
With a self-centering bit.
It's almost foolproof.
So if you've ever used the jigget system before, you're going to have this down cold.
Then we also developed a jig system for our louvers, which, by the way, we sell the stock pre-shaped in basswood. But we also sell router bits so you can customize, make your shutters out of any wood you would like and have the same professional look. Then we have a jig that is used to drill the ends of the louvers for the pivoting or the fixed position shutters. So everything is simple. It uses a drill, and with the plan, you have all the dimensions. Literally makes it foolproof.
And there's no time at the drawing board.
There's no time. About 5 seconds.
So tell us, this of course is available. Price point, what are we talking about?
For the complete setup for both jigs, it's $120 is the jig. That includes all the bits, all the jigs, and then we also sell the louver stock, and you can get it in any of the 3 sizes and then buy as much as you want, or you can buy the router bits separately, make your own in basswood or any other wood you want.
Boy, it makes a lot of sense. Now, if our readers want to find out more information about the shutter system, where should they look?
As usual, you go to rockler.com.